Hi guys! In this video, let's take a peek inside Sili Cafe in Bulacan. So, if you want to go to a cafe around Bulacan with nature vibe and good food, or even a place for a romantic date, this one is highly recommended. I went here with two of my mom friends. We went here with our kids. And as you can see, there's enough parking space. And this place also accepts events. But I'm not sure about that. You can maybe inquire with them because I saw a signage here that they have a pavilion, a pool. So you can try to inquire if you are looking for a place for your event around Bulacan, especially here around Santa Maria, Bulacan. So this is the signage, guys. So try to pause the video on that part. So that's the signage that I was talking about. Yan, madaming upuan dito sa garden area. At first, doon kami umupo sa loob. Then, nung gabi na, nung medyo madilim na, sinubukan namin umupo din sa may garden area para mas makapag-enjoy yung mga bata. This is their operation schedule Monday through Thursday from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. and Friday through Sunday 10 a.m. to 12 a.m. Masarap yung food, guys. Sulit siya for me. It's part self-service. These are the food we ordered. And this is how it looks at night. And obviously, our kids had a lot of fun. So if you're planning to bring your kids with you, the cafe is very kid-friendly. And it's also pet-friendly, by the way, if you want to bring your pet. Ito na yung lumipat na kami sa labas para mas makapag-enjoy sila. Medyo maingay na kasi sila dun sa loob. Ito yung ligaya. Okay, this is their menu, guys. Pause and zoom nyo na lang. If you're using a mobile phone while watching this video, you can pause and zoom this menu. So that's all. Thank you for watching.